While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, included as ETH. With decentralized finance turning into all the rage, calculations and science-upheld cryptographic forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain world. Outline of Ethereum. A wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin, the Ethereum blockchain is a high-level undertaking. It is generally well known among cryptographic money fans, basically because of its nodal position in the realm of digital currencies. The blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this biggest digital currency, the whole peculiarity and the principal center is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges. The Ethereum convention empowers designers to form and work on brilliant agreements, naturally carrying out tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Ethereum 2.0, additionally called Tranquility. ETH 2.0 is the augmentation of the Ethereum structure with added elements to further develop usefulness in the Ethereum blockchain. It had a continuous and steady stage-wise revealing with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and worthiness. As a forerunner to additional upgrade and proficiency, Ethereum 2.0 presented a sharding strategy to decrease the exchange cost and speed up, including sharding with the blend will expand its asset use execution incredibly. Moreover, Ethereum 2.0 started web low-level computing construct in a framework UASM that would before long supplant EVM, Ethereum virtual machine permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. Ethereum 2.0 and the consolidation is presently at long last finished. Best of all, Ethereum is presently more eco-accommodating because of the consolidation. Ethereum specialized in key investigation. The whole digital money market experiences capricious cost unpredictability, going with the venture choice and altcoins seriously testing. Nonetheless, according to our figures and specialized examination, the crypto world will just see a flood in exchanging exercises and venture altcoins. ETH digital currency confronted huge negative tension in the midst of a general market auction, and the cost fell underneath $2,500 by January 2022 and afterward. Due to the crypto market slump of May 2022, the cost of Ethereum has seen a precarious fall. Starting from the start of 2022, ETH has checked gigantic unpredictability in its cost activity. Throughout the course of recent weeks, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $2,000 and $850. As of now, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,212. In the earlier year, Ethereum's cost brought financial backers enormous returns before the beginning of the new year. However, in 2022, there was a critical drop in the cost for every one of the resources. According to long-haul Ethereum cost expectations, ETH is a particularly incredible resource for speculation for brokers who can exploit these short and long-haul cost swings. Wallet financial backers Ethereum cost forecasts recommend that the ETH token will be around $5,906.10 by 2027. While digital coin price demonstrates that the symbolic will be at a limit of $3,440.95 in 2025 according to their ETH cost forecast. Simultaneously, the ETH value gauge of exchanging monsters uncovers the coin will have just reached $2,055.85 by 2025 because of the negative cost history, while long gauge uncovers that ETH cost might be $2,455 by 2026 in view of their Ethereum cost estimate. ETH value forecast 2023. In view of the specialized examination and cost variances, Ethereum cryptographic money might exchange at a typical cost of $2,081 for 2023, while the base and most extreme costs of ETH are expected to be $1,787 and $2,375. Ethereum value expectation 2024. Taking a gander at the Ethereum value expectation and specialized investigation, it tends to be guessed that the most extreme worth of ETH might be around $2,987. Simultaneously, the previous exhibition additionally recommends that the base and normal qualities might be $2,442 and $2,715. Ethereum value expectation 2025. According to our Ethereum cost expectation for 2025, the base, normal, and most extreme exchange values might be around $2,921, $3,255, and $3,589 in the crypto market. According to the Ethereum cost forecast 2025, we expect numerous associations and combinations sooner rather than later of Ethereum organization. Ethereum Value Forecast 2026. Our Ethereum estimate uncovers that the Ether's cost will exchange between $3,257 to $3,934, where the previous is the most reduced conceivable cost while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2026, while the typical cost for the year might be $3,596. ETH Coin Value Forecast 2027. In view of the Ethereum conjecture, the coin might have a likely high and possible low of $4,475 and $3,851 separately. The typical Ethereum cost for the year 2027 is supposed to be around $4,163. Ethereum Crypto Value Expectation 2028. As per our expectations, for the year 2028, the base and greatest costs are supposed to be around $4,698 and $5,230 individually. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging cost of Ethereum might be around $4,964. Ethereum Coin Value Forecast 2029. Constantly 2029, Ethereum's cost will have seen an extraordinary ascent, expanding the market capitalization of the coin as well as its interest. In light of our Ethereum cost forecast, the coin's cost might reach as high as $6,241 in the year 2029. While it might exchange around a low of $5,313. The typical worth is supposed to be around $5,777. Ethereum Value Forecasts 2030. Our ETH cost forecasts 2030 demonstrated the coin may be hustling to peak. The token might have a base cost of $6,795 in the long haul, while the Ethereum cost might record a huge high of $7,650 by 2030, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. The Ethereum future looks extremely encouraging in view of our examination. Greg Lunt tweets, #Ethereum's cost activity addresses the altcoin market overall. And, with Ethereum showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto Epicurean. We presume that the Ethereum projected development will unquestionably arrive at outrageous highs. According to our ETH cost forecast, in the event that you exchange Ethereum at the ongoing value, you might procure great returns. In any case, this doesn't comprise speculation exhortation in any structure. Do your own exploration to decrease the high gamble of losing cash quickly. Will Ethereum go up in 2023? Without a doubt, your interest in ETH makes certain to break all limits according to our Ethereum cost expectation. Notwithstanding, do your own intensive exploration prior to putting away your cash. Take your exchanging choices and put away cash just in light of your venture goals to diminish every one of the dangers. How high will Ethereum go? According to our Ethereum cost expectation, no other crypto can guarantee a fantasy with this positive thinking. Adding ETH to your crypto wallet can end up being an important venture. Gave you plan all your speculation choices carefully and decisively. According to our Ethereum cost expectation 2030, the coin will have basically a worth of $6,795. Is Ethereum a wise venture? Indeed, ETH is the future as it is quick to accompany brilliant agreements. For crypto financial backers, the verifiable value pattern can demonstrate Ethereum a wise interest as far as crypto conversion standard worth in the long haul. There is no demonstrated